Hello everyone. So in today's video, we will complete the last task of screenflow distribution, which is display a flow on a page outside your Salesforce org. So just click on it. After clicking, we'll land here. Here we'll scroll down, and the correct answer for the first question is B, and the correct answer for the second question is C. Guys, if you like my content, please do like and subscribe to my channel, guys. It takes really lot of effort to complete these challenges, guys, because sometimes I have to take 3 or 4 takes because sometimes the mic is not working, the video is not proper. Please do like and subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If you have any kind of error in any kind of my videos, you can comment in the comment section. Just pin the video in which you have error. I'll be following you up as soon as possible, guys. And if you find my video useful, please do like and subscribe to my channel, guys. It will motivate me to create more content, guys. Thank you for watching, guys.